Hi friends, my name's Jordan, and I'm at 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten Graduate. When I was your age, I loved reading books just like you. And guess what? Listening to this book today counts towards your 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten challenge. If you like this book, you can watch and listen to it over and over again. Each and every time counts. Are you ready for a story? Today we're going to be reading Go Grandpa Go by Lynn Plourde and illustrated by Sophie Beer. Make sure if you have the copy of the book to follow along. Let's get started. Go, Grandpa, go. Zigzag, zip, zoom. Go, Grandpa, go. Past flowers, lawn, showers. Go, Grandpa, go. Under trees, buzzing bees. Go, Grandpa, go. Honk, beep, busy street. Go, Grandpa, go. Push, wee, 1, 2, 3. Go, Grandpa, go. Dash and dart, fill the cart. Go, Grandpa, go. Puddle, stomp, muddy romp. Go, Grandpa, go. Night sky, fly high. Go, Grandpa, go. Rock and hum, day is done. Whoa, Grandpa, whoa. The end. Thank you guys so much for listening to Go, Grandpa, Go. And please make sure to leave a comment down below to let us know how you like the book and if there's any future books that you would like us to read. Thank you guys for listening. Bye.